Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Winds will continue to be whipping through the night tonight. We could see wind gusts up near 40 to 45 miles per hour, and that's going to push those feels-like temperatures down to the lower 20s. But because the winds are so strong, we could see some sporadic power outages or some tree limbs could come down. So that's why tonight is an impact night. Now, it's still going to be breezy through your Friday and your Saturday, and temperatures will be seasonal. Highs in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees, and there could be some spotty showers late Friday evening into Saturday. Some of those could be a rain-snow mix. If you don't like this winter chill that's outside right now, you won't have to wait long. Spring-like warmth will return next week, and we're talking temperatures back into the mid-60s by the time we make it to midweek. But look at these wind gusts. Winds were howling today. Near 50 miles per hour was the gust reported at Harrisburg. Peak wind gust of 47 miles per hour in Lancaster. Reedsville, Mifflin County up to 51 miles per hour. Chambersburg, you saw a gust of 42 miles per hour in Hummelstown, Dauphin County at 40 miles per hour. The American flag still sticking out there from the pole over the Capitol. It's 36 degrees right now in Harrisburg. Gust still right now at this hour 40 miles per hour at the airport. So we do have that wind advisory in effect until 4 a.m. Winds will slowly drop. They'll ease as we go through the day tomorrow. So still at a disruptive level through the night tonight. Wind chills in the low 20s. Actual air temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s. We will keep that brisk cold weather around for tomorrow morning, but you'll have some sunshine. A little bit more cloud cover will bubble up as we head through the afternoon, and it's late tomorrow night. We could see a spotty light rain or snow shower after seeing highs near 50 degrees. So here's a look at that wind gust forecast. Notice in excess of 40 miles per hour after dawn. The winds will slowly drop, but they will remain blustery through your Friday, Saturday, and also on into early Sunday. So right now, a peak wind or a gust right now of 40 miles per hour in Lancaster, still near 50 miles per hour in Chambersburg. And I've turned on live local 8 radar. Still not going to rule out a few spotty flurries up towards Lewistown and also towards Mifflintown, but most of the valley will continue to stay dry. Made it to 53 for our high today, but that was just after midnight. Much of the day saw temperatures just hovering in the mid to upper 30s, and this is what it feels like outside right now. It feels like it's 22 in Lancaster. Here are the actual air temperatures right now, 36 in York and currently 35 in Lancaster. So it feels like January out there across the Susquehanna Valley, but you can see that milder air is building back over Texas and into Oklahoma. Eventually that warmth will start pushing from the southwest into the northeast, but we got to get through the weekend first. So this little weak storm system is working its way out of the Rockies. It crosses over the Ohio River Valley through the day tomorrow and will be on our doorstep late tomorrow night in the form of some spotty showers. So blustery conditions out there across the valley. Notice here on the predictor, we start the day off with some sunshine and the winds will slowly ease, but they will remain blustery at times through much of tomorrow. And then here comes that spotty shower as that storm approaches. But I do expect we'll see mostly rain, but there could be a few flakes mixing in. We are not looking for accumulation. Going on into Saturday, blustery conditions and temperatures will be a little bit cooler with highs in the mid 40s. We're back to near 50 degrees for your Sunday. And then here comes that spring-like warmth. We're back into the mid 60s for Tuesday and then closer to 70 degrees on Wednesday. We do need more rain. We still have that deficit out there across the Susquehanna Valley. And the next best chance for showers holds off in the forecast until the following Thursday.